Careful. Walk in. Nice GA. Walk in, walk in. Try to hold them, try to hold them. Okay. Brawl nyo itong mga death tank shallow. Brawl nyo yung mga death tank shallow. Focus nyo yung mga death tanks. Focus nyo yung mga death tanks. Ay, come back, 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 come back. Come back west side. Yo, defend, defend,
One
defend.
shot likod, one shot likod.
Hila pagad, come west side.
Looking sila, looking sila.
Looking. Fake yan, fake yan. May isa pa sila engage siya. Brawlers, try to walk in na brawlers. Try to walk in na. Shallow lang, brawlers. Shallow lang. Shallow lang. Engage sila soon. Ready niyo yung potion.
Looking north ah.
Ready niyo yung potion siya, walk in deep kaya. Huwag kayo matakot. Okay? Walk in deep. Poppy pots, walk in deep. Walk in deep. Brawl niyo sa choke. Full brawl sa choke. Heal up sa choke. Pass the choke, guys. Pass the choke. You have to pass the choke. If you don't, you're gonna die. Keep walking. They're gonna turn soon.
Nagpapadismount yung nasa likod ng one shot natin kanina.
Keep walking. Yo, they're gonna turn soon. Ready defenses. They're gonna turn soon, okay? Keep rolling.
Yeah, looking.
Nice GA. Walk in. Heal up. Walk in. Just keep walking in.
Tingnan muna si Narabi.
Keep rolling them. Hil niyo si Rabi sa likod. Okay? Now careful. They're gonna have engage soon. Keep rolling.
Yan, Robust.
They're looking. Walk south.
Sa'yo nakatingin, Robust.
Robust, nakatingin sa'yo. Careful.
Yun na.
Keep walking southeast. Heal up on me. Yo, walk in. They just engage shallow. Walk in. DPS, walk in. Try, mag-boots up agad kayo. Nice. Keep walking in. Keep rolling. Keep rolling.
Daming support.
Ito, yung shallow, yung evil mo namamatay naman.
Brawl niyo yung mga death tanks shallow. Busin niyo yung mga death tanks nila. Okay? Death tanks, careful the front. Kill the front. Okay, good. Patayin niyo itong mga nasa harap natin. Itong heavy mace, itong dalawang tanks, oh. Itong dalawang tanks.
Ay, na-pierce ko yan na-pierce ko.
Itong dalawang tanks. Brawl niya lang. Yo, careful death tank, watch out, okay? Keep brawling. Careful, don't be too deep, okay? Careful.
May one shot yan may one shot yan sa gilid.
Careful. Come back, heal up. Careful. Come back. Ready, defense shallow. Fake only. Ready for other engage. Ready, defense. Heal up agad. Heal up kayo dyan,
Yes
okay?
sila.
Okay, come back. Heal up sa akin. Come back northeast man. Come east. Walk east.
Mugi. May one shot dito sa east mo.
Yo, walk southeast. Okay, come north.
Ingat yung mahuli ah.
Fred, start walking in, DPS. Death ang start walking in also. Come north here. Pa north side tayo para hindi tayo sa one shot. Come north side. Walk north side.
Okay ah.
Walk north side. Just walk north. Careful. Hila pa na free. Walk north. DPS spread. Walk northeast. Walk northeast by the road. Spread. Ready to walk in, okay? Get ready. Hold now. Yo, yung mga DPS ko mag-wrap around na kayo. Start wrapping on them na. Oh, fuck, they kited again. Walk in. Go deep if you can. Hold them dito sa choke. Ito mga shallow, kita nyo? May engage ulit yan, ha? Yo, may potions kayo, diba? Ready nyo yung potions nyo para sa turn nila dito, ha? Okay, wait, ha? Ready. Step up a bit. Yo, ready yung potions. Okay, poppy pots, walk in deep. Poppy pots, death tanks, make sure you're inside of them. Walk in deep. They're gonna turn soon. Heal me in the front. Walk in. Spread kayo outside now. Keep walking in west side. Just brawl them.
Dyan, tutong nasa taas ha.
Full
Habulin nyo.
push them. Itong caller nila, oh, Gucci, oh. May iba pa Gucci sa kanila. Yung 4.4, yung mga 4.4s nila. Keep walking west. Just catch all of them. Keep catching them. Yo, yung iba mag-mount up.
One shot.
Yung iba mag-mount up, patayin yung caller. Yung iba mag-mount up, patayin yung caller. Yo, the others mount up, okay? Yo, mount up,
Dito, 14 power.
mount up, catch everyone, mount up. Yo, careful, may one shot pa rin,
Southeast, yung one shot.
Ang epal naman ng one shot na yun. Walang magawa sa buhay.